I'm Heather Grant, and today we're here with Brenda Ratliff of the Ann Arbor MQG, who's going to tell us all about booking faculty for your guild.
Yeah.
You have a lot of experience with this. How long were you president?
4 years.
Oh my goodness.
I was the founder and president for the first 4 years of the Ann Arbor Modern Quilt Guild. We do a lot of classes, and I do a lot of classes booking professionally also. So this has been, it's a really fun thing that I think that a lot of guilds really need to get involved with.
Yeah, because not everyone can go and travel, so it's great
Right.
to bring some big names into your guild.
Right, and you've got this dues money here, and that's what it's for. Bring the education
Bring the
in.
education in,
Right.
yeah. So what are the things that, how do you figure out who to bring in first?
We do a poll of our members to see, get a feel for anybody that they're just really excited to meet. We look around to people who do teach professionally.
Yeah.
They're the ones that will have information on their website about how much they cost, and all of that details are pretty much already spelled out for you, which is really nice for some of these teachers. But really, it's about what people are interested in learning. So if, for example, our guild's really interested in learning free motion quilting, we will try to find somebody that is an expert at
Really
that.
good at that. That's
Yeah.
a really good point. And so you get, I'm guessing you just don't pick one person because not everyone's always available. So do you kind of like make a short list?
Yeah, you make a short list and you go from there. First, we look within our guild, because there's always a lot of people within your guild that you couldn't hire to do that, and you have a lot less, travel expense that way.
Yeah, Ann Arbor has some great members in it, I'm sure.
Oh, I know. We're very lucky that we have a lot of really great and talented people who have been very open to sharing their knowledge, which is something that we're really lucky to have.
Yeah.
So then we look at people who are experts in the industry. So we have our top choice and we contact them first. And of course you have to think about how much that they're going to cost, how far away that they're going to come from. Australia is a lot farther than the state over. So you've got that travel expense to think about.
And there's immigration stuff for overseas instructors too.
Overseas instructors, you have to pay differently. So, and they have to have a green card or
a visa or something
to be able to teach in another country. But most of them know that already if they're already interested in professionally teaching. So they've already gotten that taken. I think the easiest thing to do is we have a chair at our guild, and they're in charge of bringing the teachers in. So
you have one point of contact to talk to people.
Yes.
And so what are some things you need to consider in terms of talking about the contract with a faculty member?
You've always got to think about their fees first and foremost. You want to pay your instructors to come in. You also want to talk about their travel, their lodging, and their food.
Well, that's really great information. So how do you handle registration? I'm sure sometimes you get really great instructors and everyone wants to go to that.
We do, it's a first come, first served basis, members first. If we don't sell out with our membership, we partner with other guilds in the area and we allow them next. So the next Modern Quilt Guild that's over would get next, ticket sales. And sometimes we partner with shops in the area.
Okay, well that's great information. So that's how to book some faculty for your local guild.